You might get blinded a little bit. You'll be okay.
My name is Mayan Spaccarelli. I've got a race shop that's run by a bunch of teenagers. They're gonna get it done or drive me insane in the process.
All right, Topes. I'll rest my left hand like this, okay? My right hand here, and with your left hand, you're gonna guide it. Okay? So you're just gonna get your face up in here, and you're just gonna slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. Should take about 4 to 5 seconds right across the top. It'll auto darken when you start welding. You're gonna get it up nice and close on here. Yep, and you're gonna dig in. I want you to get your head up here as far as you can so you can see.
Okay.
If you find a different position that's more comfortable, then just do that. Sometimes stuff like this happens, or you want to get a fresh end on it. You don't want to work with this crappy stuff. So cut it just like that. You want to leave that about that much out when you're ready to weld. And then also on this tip, you can see all this slag building up. It's going to stop your wire. It's not going to look very pretty. Yep.
If you look from over here, they're flat and those are...
Maybe you want some angled up, I don't know.
Wow, that sucks.
You might get blinded a little bit. You'll be okay.
Why? Does that mask not work?
I think this torch wants to work. There we go.
Don't be watching the weld, guys. And Sammy, just kind of step back there and listen. Don't Here's your next victim.
That wasn't very good.
Longer.
Don't watch.
I'm watching from your camera.
So look at the distance right here on the tip. That's about, what, a ½ inch, roughly? I want you to get that close or even just a little bit closer. I like to get a little bit closer, like 3/8 inch away. So that's how far. So don't pull the trigger, but yeah, go ahead.
Like that?
A little bit closer till it's right there. Right when it touches it, that's where I walk close.
So you want it to touch?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Are you scared to weld?
I don't know. I can't see nothing.
That was better. That was better.
I just see a little blue light.
Yeah, I know. It's hard to tell when you're looking at it.
Oh, that. Here. I want to get done.
Yep.
How is that?
Good.